同学大家好 Hello everyone 我是黄老师 I'm Dr. Navar You can call me 黄老师
Compared to initial consonants, Chinese has much fewer vowels, but they can be combined to form vowel compounds. Vowels or vowel compounds are used as finals to form syllables together with consonant initials. Today, let's learn the basic single vowel finals, and we'll combine them into vowel compounds in the next lesson. There are only 6 single vowels in Chinese. A, O, E, U, Ü. When pronouncing A, open your mouth wide and say Ah. When pronouncing O, just make your mouth shape exactly like the letter O. Will take some remembering because the pronunciation is different from what people typically associate with the letter E.
Is what I would call a hiccup sound because it sounds just like it.
E is similar to the E sound in bee or tree. U is similar to the U sound in zoo or blue.
As for Ü, which is the most challenging final vowel for English speakers, the tip to pronounce Ü is, first, make your lips form the smallest round shape. As small as you can. Okay, second, you're going to center the sound in the very front of your mouth. Now, press the sound out as if you're whistling. Ü. Smallest round shape and whistle. Ü. Were you able to do that? Let's try again. Ü. 很好, very good. Now, let's put initials and finals together to make a 4-syllable. For instance, B and A. Together, we have 八. 很好, very good.
Let's do a practice. Pause this video and try to pronounce these combinations, and then continue to compare your pronunciation with mine. 拉 pu, mi, de. Remember, the letter E is pronounced as the hiccup sound, Nu. Again, the Ü sound is pronounced with the smallest round-shaped lips and whistle-like manner to press the sound out from the very front of your mouth. Nu. 很好, very good. You might have noticed I didn't list any syllable that has the vowel O. The reason is that O is typically used in vowel compounds instead of a single vowel, with one exception.
The sound O rarely stands alone as a final. It usually comes in combination with other vowels. But when it does come alone as the single vowel, it tends to come after the labial sounds. Labial initials are the initials that involve the use of your lips. In other words, B, P, M, and F. When O comes after these initials, it is actually pronounced as W. So, how will these sounds be pronounced? Bo, Po, Mo, and Fo. 很好, very good.
In addition to bo, po, mo, fo, there are also a few other cases of spelling pronunciation inconsistency that we need to pay attention to. I hope you remember from our earlier lesson that this set of initials, ji, qi, xi, have a touch of E sound to themselves. Ji, qi, xi. Therefore, when they take wu as the vowel final, the E sound is mapped onto the U sound and make it a Ü sound. So although the spelling says u, we're actually pronouncing them as chu, chu, and shu. Another inconsistency between the spelling and the pronunciation is what we call filler I. It is called the filler because the E sound is not pronounced in these combinations. It happens when I comes after two sets of initials, the tongue-curling consonants, zh, ch, sh, r, and the between-teeth consonants, z, c, s. What the letter I does in these combinations is that instead of being pronounced, it lengthens the consonant and makes it syllable-like. Zh, ch, sh, r, z, c, s. You do not hear E at all in these combinations, just the lengthened initials. Zh, ch, sh, r, z, c, s. Here's a list of these cases of spelling pronunciation inconsistency for you to remember.